What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be having a look how you can be able to check your Wi-Fi password. How to find your Wi-Fi password that is in Windows 11 in case you are connected to the Wi-Fi and you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password. How can you be able to check your Wi-Fi password? So all you need to do is just right click, that is in your Windows 11 Wi-Fi icon, just right here. Just need to right click and go to network settings. Once you click network settings, we need to scroll down to the last option, advanced settings. This one, just double click. Then we need to scroll down. You can see where we have related setting. Under related setting we have more network adapter options, so you just need to double click so that we can be able to open, that is, some more settings in the control panels. Then we have the Ethernet. This Ethernet, when you talk of the Ethernet, you connect, that is your PC, to the internet using the Ethernet cable. You link up the Ethernet cable and the router or the switch. But in this case I'm using my Wi-Fi, so in case you want to know your Wi-Fi password, you just need to right click onto your PC and go to status. Right click onto your PC and go to status. Then after you click the status, we have wireless properties. Just click wireless properties. Under wireless properties we have connection and security. You can see, for example, my Wi-Fi name is p.k, SSID is p.k, network type is access point, network availability is on all users. You can see it's already set to connect automatically to this network. So when it comes to security, now the password, you just need to click here and you can see if you want to see this is my network security key, or what you call the password. If you want now to view that is the password, you just need to click show characters and you can see now this is my Wi-Fi password. So that is how simply you can be able to check that is your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. That's all we have for today guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.